We all know that UAE has a DTAA with India, and for Indian NRIs to take advantage of this DTAA, it may require you to obtain a TRC, which is Tax Residency Certificate. This will help you to save all the tax that you pay in India. In this video, I'll be covering what TRC is, who needs to obtain it, is it even mandatory, criteria to obtain this certificate, documents required, cost for obtaining a TRC, and step-by-step process. So let's start. TRC is a document that proves the tax residency of a person. So if the UAE issues a TRC to a person, it means that the person must be paying these taxes in UAE even if it is at 0%. So like we discussed in the start, if you would like to take the benefit of DTAA between UAE and India, you will be required to show a tax residency certificate. You may then submit this tax residency certificate to Indian tax jurisdiction, which then proves that you will be paying taxes within the UAE. Now, it is not mandatory to get a tax residency certificate. You only need to apply for it if there is a requirement to submit it somewhere. So for example, some NRIs may need to prove that they are tax residents in UAE and do not have to be taxed in India. In this case, they may be required to submit this TRC to the Indian tax authorities. Now, certain criteria to obtain the TRC certificate for Indian NRIs. If either of the following three conditions are satisfied, you will be allowed to have a tax residency certificate as an individual in UAE. Firstly, if UAE is the usual or primary place of residence and financial and personal interest of a person are in UAE. Second, or to be physically present in UAE at least for 183 days out of the consecutive 12 months. Or third, which is the most lenient option, mainly to be physically present in UAE for 90 days in the last 12 consecutive months. But however, there are additional conditions to this last point. The person must have a UAE visa or a GCC passport and must have a permanent place of residence in the UAE or have an employment or business in any of the cities. Now, what are the documents required to get this TRC? You will have to produce the following 7 documents. Number 1, passport, a residence visa, Emirates ID, certified lease agreement or a source of income proof, bank statements for 6 months from a UAE bank account, report from GDFRA or ISA that proves the number of days you have been in UAE for the last 12 consecutive months, and tax forms if from any country in which the certificate needs to be submitted. How much does it cost? Well, TRC for NRIs costs somewhere around 1000 dirhams as NRIs comes under non-registered tax person. It typically takes around 5 business days to get the complete application received. Once received, TRC is valid for only 1 financial year for the selected applicant. Now, following are the steps to apply for TRC. Log on to the MRTax portal. You can use the current account on MRTax portal or create a new one, or link your old account related to the previous TRC portal. Now, once you are logged in, choose other services. Select the TRN you are applying the TRC for. If there is no TRN, choose the last option as no TRN. Click on the type of the requested certificate. Complete the creation process, pay the submission fee and submit the application and wait for FTA approval. Now, after obtaining FTA approval certificate, you may pay the processing fee. Now, note that some special tax form might require FTA attestation also. So, TRC can be an important tool to save taxes like capital gains on your investments in India. So, if you need any help for the same, feel free to reach out to us. Share this with other NRIs in your circle from UAE. Until next time, thank you.